Gabriela Arolason from BSIT 502, and napili kong app for reviewing is Pinterest because it's very useful and helpful for me, especially if I need inspirations or I need to be creative. Siya yung go-to app ko kapag may hinahanap ako na kunwari gusto ko din ng aesthetic or maayos na wallpaper. Diyan din ako nakuha na pang wallpaper. And sometimes if I want to freshen up my mind, nag-scroll lang din ako. Ewan ko, parang na-freshen up yung mind ko kapag nag-scroll ako sa Pinterest na marami ako nakikita. And siya yung go-to app ko if I have to be creative. If I want to get an idea sa isang bagay na gagawin ko, ganun. Especially when it comes sa craft, sa arts, ganun. Siya yung go-to ko. And here, sa all, hope, eto, makikita mo dyan is actually, ang magiging laman ng feed mo, mostly, is kung ano yung sinesearch mo. Yan yung magiging laman ng feed. And here, mayroong search. Pwede mo siyang, actually, meron natin, may suggestion siya actually, na yan. Kung anong, and may search. Magsisearch ka dyan. And also, meron din camera icon na, meron ito, accessible visual search. Pwede mong pipicturean and then voila, ayan na. Okay, ayan na. Lalabas na yung hinahanap mo. And then the add sign na to, the plus sign is pin. Pwede kang mag-save or pwede ka mag-upload ng picture dyan sa pin. And then, here naman sa collage, gagawa ka ng collage sa board. Ano siya, organizer ng mga sinave mong picture. Kunwari, pagsasama-samahin mo like OOTD, and then sa ibang naman is OOTD, tas yung iba DIY, mga crafts, ganon, arts, ganon. And then here, para message icon siya, inbox, and updates. Sa updates, kung ito yung mga sinearch mo, ito yung mo, like 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 5 days ago, 13 hours, 22 hours, gano'n. Here naman, sa account, ito yan, pins, ito yung mga na-save mo from Pinterest or pwede mong i-upload, gano'n, na-save mo na picture. Sa boards, ito yung sasabi ko na pwede ka mag-organize ng pictures na sinave mo or i-upload, ganun. Most of the key features naman here in Pinterest is it's easy to understand. It's very easy to use. Hindi ka mahihirapan na ano bang purpose nito, ano ba to, ganyan. Madali siyang maintindihan at gamitin ng kahit sino actually. As a personal user ng Pinterest, it's helpful for me na creative inspiration. Ganun ko siya nakikita. It's very useful for me. It's very useful when it comes to creativity. It's very helpful for people who needs inspiration and creativity. It's a sharing tool actually ng mga ideas, ganun. It's good. It's very good. It's giving. It's layable. Basta maganda yung Pinterest. It's useful and helpful. Yung mga function niya, it really functions well naman. Yung mga like home, search, yung plus signs na yan, and message, as yung account profile. Ayun. It functions well naman. It functions well naman. So, I rate it 10 over 10, and I hope my grade as well is 10 over 10.